What's up guys, Romsicle here back with another video. So I'm sure a lot of you have probably thought about vlogging at some points, but you might not know where to start, or you might think that you need the most high-end equipment to start off, like getting a DSLR camera. But in reality, the basics are that you can just start by using your smartphones to record video. Because the cameras in our smartphones are so good now, they basically replace the old point and shoots that we used to use, and they can almost even replace the low-end DSLR cameras these days. So today we're taking a look at the ultimate vlog setup from Maono. This is the multi-purpose vlog kit, and although it says it's a vlog kit, you can also use this as a video kit in general because it comes with a bunch of tools that would be beneficial for better videography for beginners. Inside this box, you have basically everything you need to make better videos. First, you have a metal tripod that has a fluid head, so you can either have it 90 degrees or straight up. You also have a smartphone mount that allows you to extend it so that you can actually put any kind of sized smartphone onto this mount here. And what's great about this mount right here is that it also comes with a cold shoe mount on top, so you can actually put accessories on there like a microphone or lights so that you can have a better video experience. And of course, the microphone is included. It's a super cardioid condenser mic that comes with a wind foam, a detachable shock mount made of plastic and rubber, a removable coiled cable, and a TRRS to TRS adapter so that you can also use this with your camcorders and DSLR cameras. What's great about this microphone is that it doesn't require a battery, and that's a great thing because when it comes to higher end microphones, when you have the battery in it, it means there's more power to the microphone, but it also means you have to turn on and off the microphone manually. So you have to turn on the microphone before you film, and then you turn it off after you're done filming. And sometimes you forget to turn on the microphone right before you film, and you just end up with a bunch of footage that isn't audible because there is no audio. So with this microphone, since there's no battery or on-off switch, you can instantly plug it in and press the record button and you're good to go with audio. And since you can use this on both your smartphones and your cameras, it's great for multi-purpose use. So let's do a quick microphone test in vlog style as well as putting it on a mirrorless camera. Right now we're using the stock Lumix G9 microphone that's on the body of this camera to film from 1 meter away. And now we're using the Maono microphone to see what it sounds like on the Lumix G9 body at stock preferences from 1 meter away. This is what the stock microphone of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus sounds like from 1 arm away. And this is what the microphone would sound like if you were to use it on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Right now we are just 1 arm away, so this is what it would sound like and what it would look like if you were to use it with a smartphone. So what do you guys think about this setup? It's pretty good, right? You have a metal handle that also works as a tripod, so if you want to vlog, or if you want to just make regular videos from a desk or something, you can also do that. And thanks to the fluid head, you can also move the head so that it's actually further away or angled further away, so you don't have to keep your face close up to the camera like this. You can of course put it very far away so that you get a bigger, wider angle, which is what everyone likes to use when it comes to vlogs. You've got the smartphone mount that can fit any smartphone size, and it comes with a cold shoe adapter so that you can put on lights or put on this microphone right here. For a decent price, you're getting good audio quality from the microphone in comparison to your smartphone microphone. It's also directional, so you don't get all that background noise. But overall, I think this setup is really good for anyone that's getting into introductory videography, whether it's vlogging or making videos. And even for the average person, better videos make better memories anyways, because you want to hear what people are saying, and you also want to get that stability of video. You don't want some shaky hands, right? But I will say that this specific model from Maono might not be the best one out there, because on Amazon and AliExpress, there's a whole bunch of them that are exactly the same as this, with the tripod stand that works as a handle, the smartphone mount, and a mic. But what you want to make sure to get is to get a smartphone mount that comes with a hot shoe adapter. There's not many of those out there and can be very expensive in some places if you're trying to just get the adapter with the cold shoe mount on it. So if you can find a setup like this one that also comes with a cold shoe mount so that you can put on an external microphone for better audio or put on the lights for night videos. So that's the main thing you want to look for when buying these kinds of setups. Everything is going to be linked down below if you're interested. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys make more videos in this quarantine time, and as things are starting to be more and more flexible and free, stay safe, make videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.